Let's fix this. It's really common for people to damage this control unit when they're removing it from the door because they prise from the back here rather than from the front. And to repair this, we also need to remove the unit. So we prise from the front and then unplug it from the wiring. Here we have the controls I just removed from the car with a clip clearly broken here, compared to an unbroken set where the clip is part of this front plastic. We're going to fix this with a small 3D printed part that is either available from the Geek of the Road website, or if you have a 3D printer and can print high temperature plastics, you can download it from Thingiverse. To fit it, we need to remove the 3 screws that hold the window switches onto the housing itself. You may need to use a knife to tidy up the broken edges here before fitting the 3D printed clip. We can then put the window switches back in place and screw them down, being careful not to over tighten and break the plastic housing. You should now find this clip is secure in the housing itself. To reinstall the controls, we reconnect the wiring with the 2 plugs. And then we put it into the door, going in with the clip first, putting that firmly down, and then press fitting at the front. And now you can see the window control is again firmly in place as it should be. If you don't have your own 3D printer or can't print in a suitable material like ASA, then you can go to geekoftheroad.com where you can buy one pre-made for you. Alternatively, you can go to Thingiverse to download the design yourself. Both links are in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to receive future videos.